Hi! Please follow along with me in your handout number 24 as I introduce our new vocabulary word for the day, systemic inequality. So read along with me. When we are young, we're told by our parents that we should treat everyone equally, and if we work hard, we can achieve our dreams. But in every society, the lowest classes are treated horribly. They are given the fewest opportunities, and few people in the lowest classes are able to achieve their wildest dreams. That's because there are thousands, sometimes millions of people in a society, all fighting for limited resources. To understand why classism, also known as class discrimination, is a problem that has continued for so long, we must go back to ancient and classical governments, which set the patterns of government that we see today. When the first government leaders arose, they had to decide who in my society deserves power and access to the best resources. Based on their choice, these rulers created systems of power and enforced them using traditions, customs, belief systems like religion, and or laws. Once these systems of power and privilege are set into law, it becomes harder for anyone outside of those systems to get in because they lack the political, social, or economic advantages of the higher classes. Here's the vocab. This bias or prejudice in the structure of organizations, institutions, governments, or social networks is called systemic or structural inequality. Systemic inequality occurs when a social, political, or economic system gives advantages for some members and gives disadvantages for other members, which leads to inequality between these groups. Inequality is structural when policies keep some groups from obtaining the resources to better their lives. So in a little bit, you're going to have analyze these two cartoons that will truly demonstrate what systemic inequality is. And hopefully after you answer the series of questions, you'll have a better idea of what systemic inequality is. Thank you. Back to you, Ms. Yokoyama.